Hello everybody, today I will show you how you can install Wrapper Offline Remastered version 2 on your Chromebook. What you need for that is you need SwimJet with Flash Player to be installed, Linux Enable which makes you have a terminal, and all that other stuff. So right now I'm currently using it, but I'm going to exit out just so I can make room for our tutorial. And then Excel SwimJet 2. So yeah, in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to search up on GitHub WrapperOfflineRemasteredV2, and then go into the Chromebook branch. Next, you will click on the install wrapper.txt, and then you're gonna copy the thing on line 6. So you'll copy this command, and then you're gonna go into your terminal, paste in the command, and WrapperOffline Remastered should start installing. Oh, also installs dependencies too. Yeah. 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 So now if you want to start Wrapper Offline, and this is every time, you do the same thing like you did in the beginning, except when you go into the repo, you click on the start wrapper.txt file this time, and then just do the same thing, copy the command like you did, and then paste it into your terminal, and Wrapper Offline should be starting. There you go. So then, yeah, and the reason why this is working because I have Node.js installed on my Chromebook. In order to do that, you would just do sudo apt install Node.js, enter, and then you would do that to ensure for Node.js is installed, you would do npm -v, and that would come up with a version. Yeah, just click enter, it will come up with the version. So yeah, there you go. And also for SwimJet, you will go into my Google Drive. And then you will go into the Adobe Flash Player folder. Let's find that. Don't see any. Oh, yeah, there you go. Sorry. And then you would you would click on /chroma.tni, the $3 right there, and then the download, and it will download the thing for you. You will double click that, and it will ask you to confirm the rescue, just click confirm, and it should confirm the rescue. Yeah, it should confirm the restore of the application, which will put SwimJet on your Chromebook. And before you do it, please know that this will affect all of your apps you have on your Chromebook with Linux. I just want you to know that. But if you still have all the files to the Linux apps you're using, then that's good. You can archive them before you do it. So that's one note I need you to take. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you for the store stuff. Now I just open up SwimJet. And then you would do localhost and then put in 4343. Let me just show you up there so you can see it. Yeah, there you go. That's what you need to type in, and it should show up. Oh, I'll be making a fix for that. Sorry about that. There you go. So make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.